Welcome to Pro Tools Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this video, I want to inspire you to try something different the next time you mix your drums. And this tip is something that I do every so often when I want to get some attitude and aggression in my drum mixes. I use this Waves GTR Stomp box plugin. Of course, you can use this on guitars, but it's a very powerful little effects engine, this. Let's have a quick listen to the drums that we're going to be working with. Kick, snare, overheads. Pretty safe. We've got this room mic channel here. Let's put that in isolation. Sounds okay, but then with the other tracks, it's not really doing a lot. This is where you can use GTR and a couple of the pedals that I like to use to get some attitude into my drums, especially on that room mic, is a distortion, a compressor, and a spring reverb. Let's have a quick play around with the distortion pedal first. Back off the drive. Adjust the tone. Bring the level of the track down a touch. Bring the compressor in. Something like that, and let's bring in the spring as well. Now we can blend in this channel to taste, so without, bring in a touch of it. Something like that, just to tickle the ear, without. There you have it. Nice simple little mix trick there. Anyway, hope you guys got something from this. For more information on the GTR plugins by Waves, do check out the Waves website. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.